Honourable Seyi Lawal empowered constituency members with over 200 JAMB forms.
Please, don't join bad company. Know who you are. Know that your parents, your siblings are very, very important to you. Know that your life is very, very useful to yourself and to even the community you are. Please, bad friend lead to a lot of bad things. So just know who you are. And you know what I'm saying? Please, stay away from cultism. And if you can do that, the sky is just the limit. You can go anywhere, anytime, anywhere. Please, God bless you. Well, I just felt that this my constituency need a supportive hand in terms of JAMB to support all the students, because not every student even capable enough to even have. So I believe I can do that for our constituency. As you can see, how a lot of them that will be able to further their education. I want to go into sports, so at least just let's take them away from bad influences, bad friends. So at least we have something doing, they'll be able to. At least a lot of footballers are not well educated, but at least when they get all the ones, they'll be able to know what they're doing. There's a lot of people that were established. Some people within the community, even the draft, even the appointment. So these people within the community, so that they have one or two things doing. And it won't be something that they will do for that time, for that short period. It's continuous program. It's yearly program. Even the way, if I say the way people turn up, I can even turn it to at least twice program in a year. A lot of program is coming up. But I intend to do good things for them. Okay. Because at least we are seeing this when I was even outside without even being in the system. I didn't see this opportunity, and I didn't even heard of this within the community. But since I'm the son of the soil, I want better things for my people. I want them to praise the government, not even only the local, not the state, even the federal government, so that at least they will know that we are doing something good and that, seeing the dividend of the democracy.